All right, so I made this YouTube short using Crayo. So I made this YouTube short in about 15 minutes in one tool. No camera, no mic, put it together. I never showed my face. It's the kind of faceless video that everyone calls an easy side hustle. So I'm going to show you how I use Crayo to build this short very quickly. They're sponsoring this video and kind of want to just walk you through the process and show you how easy it is. So I paid the $39 to get access to Crayo. It's a tool designed to make viral videos with AI. So faceless YouTube and Instagram and TikTok channels are kind of the rage right now. AI's made it pretty easy to, generate this type of content. But a lot of times when people talk about, creating these faceless channels, they skip showing how to actually make the videos. How much work is it going to be? How much is it going to cost? If it takes 100 short videos to make your TikTok successful, well, how long does it actually take to make those 100 videos? So that's kind of what I want to help answer for you to see if maybe starting a faceless AI-generated content channel is a side hustle you might want to try. So again, Crayo is a tool that is designed to help you make short content that goes viral. That's kind of what they're aiming at. So they have a whole bunch of different features, but the one we are going to focus on here today is about building a faceless short from scratch. So now I want to be straight with you. There is no magic create short viral clip. There's no button that just does that automatically, but it is pretty easy here in Crayo. So we're going to go to the advanced editor here. That's where we're going to create this. So first off, we're going to need a script. So I just used Claude Code to generate this script. By the way, there's a new Claude model out. Fable is the name of it. So excited to try that out. But yeah, created this script, just a short script for a short viral content is what we're looking to do. So first off, we're going to do is create the voiceover. So we're going to go Tools, Create Voiceover. We're going to use William. I think that's fine. You can mess around with the voice settings if you want something in particular.
Our distrust is very expensive.
Crayo is an AI platform to create viral videos.
Yeah, William definitely sounds like the move here. Then we're going to take our script, we're going to paste it in here, we're going to generate the voiceover. So that took about 15 seconds or so. Honestly, that did a really good job. It sounds really natural. So then a format that is working really well in short content right now is you have kind of like this voiceover giving some actual information. Then you have some random video going in the background that's just kind of entertaining to watch. So we're going to go to video here. And then there's different background videos that you can do. So this is someone playing this coin game where you run. This one is only a minute. I don't know if this will be quite long enough. It looks like is that Minecraft? Subway Surfers is the name. But they have just this long list of there's soap cutting. You've probably seen that in your shorts feed. It'll be like actual content with someone just cutting soap. For some reason, people like to watch that. We're in an interesting time in society. But we'll just do one of these Subway Surfers. Let's do this 2-minute long one. And so now we have the voiceover and the Subway Surfer, which it is. You do want to kind of see if he makes it, Then I'm going to make the video. I'm going to drag it to match the audio. We don't want the video to keep going. I don't think people will watch that. So then we're going to go to subtitles. And we're going to do AI subtitles. So create subtitles based on the text that we did there. So now we have these 3 clicks. And we have the voiceover, we have the background video, and we have the subtitles. So that was 3 clicks. Again, that took all of a minute or so. So then this is basically ready to go. Again, we could mess with it if we wanted to change the way the subtitles look. But we're just going to export this as Subway Surfer Money Habits short and export video. So while that's exporting, they do have a whole bunch of other tools, which I might do more videos on Crayo. But they have image generation, AI face swap, voiceover, background remover, downloading videos from YouTube. So there's a lot of different things that we could show on this. But I just thought this was really cool, just the ability to make these shorts. And this is the format of shorts that do really well. Just some, motivational speech or something, some information with subtitles, and then a fun video going in the background. All right, so end to end, this whole process took about 2 minutes. I got the script written, generated the voiceover, got the video going, put the subtitles in, exported it. Super easy, fast process. And that's important because if you're wanting to do one of these faceless channels, it's not one video that's going to, grow your account. It's going to be a lot of videos. It's going to be consistent. It's going to be volume of these uploaded, maybe even daily for a few months. And usually when people fail with creating these faceless, YouTube channels or TikTok channels is because they give up. They will go at it for a week and then it becomes, oh, this is becoming a chore. It's not very easy. And then they give up. And that's not the way that you're successful with these. If you generate one of these videos every day, or maybe you do a batch on a Saturday, generate 20 of them and then get them scheduled, eventually you'll start. And TikTok's honestly the easiest. I'm able to get an account from 0 to 1,000 followers on TikTok in like a week. I'm just doing a motivational speech over an entertaining video on the other side. And then let me know if you want me to do a separate video on how to monetize these faceless channels, because the platforms themselves do not pay you very much. I have 85,000 subscribers. I don't make very much from YouTube itself. Where money comes in is from affiliate links and from sponsored videos. So as you grow your account, those opportunities will start to open up and allow you to monetize this audience. So in Crayo, normally $19 a month for hobby, $39 a month for Clipper. That's the plan that I'm on. But this just launched on AppSumo. They have it $19 for 1 year of access. So this saves you quite a bit of money. So this is a tool that you'd like to try out, but it's like, I don't know if I want to spend $19, $39 a month. You can get 1 year for $19. So as 94% off the list. So you guys know I'm a huge fan of AppSumo. A lot of this software I'd like to have, but I don't want another monthly bill. So AppSumo allows you to get it for a lot cheaper. So, and if any of you are trying a faceless channel and want to show it off, let me know in the comments. I'll feature it. I'll get some traffic to you. We'll get you some subscribers. So let me know in the comments or shoot me an email as well. I'm happy to get something set up. So shout out to Crayo. Thank you for building a pretty cool tool. I like how you put it together. And double shout out to AppSumo for making these software products more affordable so we don't have all these monthly bills. Really appreciate that. And thank all of you for watching. Please like and subscribe. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.